Word Encyclopedia, Word Encyclopedia, Word Encyclopedia. I know you guys want to hear all the books. All the books. You guys want to hear all the books. Those books come from a section between heaven and earth. Between heaven and Middle Earth, Modern Earth, there's all the books of ancient Middle Earth, and then there are the books of modern Earth. I gave you guys a little bit, just a sample of the Modern Earth books, musical books. With that, that image of the Green Knight. That's Modern Earth right there. The sound. So there's a lot of people that want good people. A lot of good people that want to hear the complete Encyclopedia. Back in song Encyclopedia, obviously back spirit says it's the new back attack, so back is attacking. That new back attack is going out. As I told you guys, it's between heaven and earth. Now, I have heard some music of heaven, heavenly music. The different realms of the heavenly music I have heard them. I yet cannot put them into this realm.